Hello, once again, welcome to Int'L's Multimedia. This is Mr. Appearmensa. Today we are not bringing you Fancy Sisia. Yes, we are bringing you a program by one of the best private schools in Tarkwa. Yes, Star Montessori. Some time ago we uploaded on this very channel a program that was conducted by Star Montessori. They celebrated the AU Day with the kids.
South Africa is located in the southeast part of Africa with a coastline that stretches 2,500 kilometers. South Africa is the 24th largest country in Africa. South Africa gained independence.
So my swag don't need no person, I don't need no questions, I don't need no rub, so please move. I'm looking fresh, got my stacks on.
In fact, if you have not watched, go back to the channel and watch this video. That was very educative and interactive. Today, we are here at Star Montessori again. But what is going on here? What is actually going on here is called Rep Your Jersey.
Samuel Justina is my name. This is Star Montessori. Rep Your Jersey.
I'm Miss Samo. This is Star Montessori. We are repping our jersey. Thank you.
This is Smis Gausu, and this is Star Montessori. We are repping our jersey, and I'm repping Barcelona. Hello, fams. Please, this is Kachibia. Yeah, in Star Montessori International School. We are repping our jersey, and we are a fan of Manchester United. Manchester United, all the way. This is Dr. Spra, and I'm representing Manju, rep your jersey at Star Montessori International School. Thank you. Bye bye. Rep your jersey, be a guy.
This is Mrs. Apia Mesa, and this is Star Montessori School International. We are repping our jerseys.
People call me get ground.
Okay, this is Miss Bayla. I'm at Star Montessori International School, and I'm repping Manchester United. Please subscribe to Int'L Multimedia for more educative content. Thank you.
Yes, Rep Your Jersey. So, by the name, you are able to see that the children are going to rep or represent a particular football team. Yes, so you could see them, all of them are adorned in a particular colorful football team, like the Manchesters, the Barcelonas, the Arsenals, the Paris Saint-Germain. As you can hear the sound behind me, the school is actually starting with this Rep Your Jersey program. Please, we are in a hurry. We have to go. Come with me. Let's go and watch what is actually going on in there at Star Montessori on the program Rep Your Jersey. Hello, my name is Appearmensa. See you as we continue the program at Star Montessori. One of the heads of departments of the school, we had some interactions with her. That is Miss Akwako. Please, let's go and watch that short interactions that we had with her.
Hi, that's Miss Akwako, and this is Star Montessori. Today there is a program in our school, and the program is Rep Your Jersey. In this program, all
are representing a particular team. Some of the teams that the kids or the learners are representing are Chelsea, Manchester, Liverpool, Man City, Manchester United, and others. Please kindly subscribe to Int'L for more educative programs.
Chelsea is not a sport at all. Chelsea is not a swimming at all. Chelsea is not at all football at all or sporting activity at all or uniform. We have all done. Are we ready to tell? Okay, let's start. Please, what is the team you are wearing? Real Madrid, wonderful. Manchester City, wonderful.
So, as you can hear from the background, the kids are already dressed in their jerseys in different teams like Arsenal, Manchester, Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain. And you name all these teams. I'm not a sporting guy, but however, hey, I've been able to mention some few names of football teams that we actually have in the world. But actually, currently, we are focusing on football teams, foreign football teams.
My name is Montessori and the team I represent is Chelsea. Chelsea is located in England. I am in State 3. I represent Barca. Barca is located in Spain. Brianna, please come. I live in
It's a Friday night.
Hello. After, when we can hold that, then you will come magic, okay?
I'm in grade 3. I represent Arsenal. Arsenal is located in England. Thank My name is Anastasia Hector. I represent United. United is located in school. I represent Liverpool. Liverpool is located in England. Thank you. Let's go for Liverpool fans. Are you there? Man City, are you there? Chelsea fans, are you there? Man United fans, are you there? Breakfast. After breakfast, we come back. Okay.